generate different angles while keeping the face consistent. Wow, that's amazing. Let's have these two people sit together. So easy. Turn a 2D sketch into a 3D scene with one click. Wow, fantastic. Did you know? The demo above wasn't created by Nano Banana. It was actually made with Seedream 4.0, the latest model developed by ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok and CapCut. That's right. Seedream 4.0 has only been out for a short time, but it's already outperforming Nano Banana. Seedream 4.0 has surpassed competitors like Nano Banana and is now leading the text-to-image AI field. Most importantly, I've found a way to use it for free, with absolutely no limits on how many times you can generate images. I'll walk you through exactly how to use it to create viral images, step by step. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my channel. Your support really motivates me to keep sharing awesome free AI tools. First, click the link I've shared below. This is the Chinese version of Dreamina, an AI tool developed by ByteDance. So if you see that the page is in Chinese, don't worry. You can simply right-click and translate it into English. Right now, Seedream 4.0 is completely free to use in Dreamina China, and I'll show you exactly how. 1. In the bottom left, you'll see a Sign In button. 2. Click it and log in with your phone number. After logging in, you'll see the home page. Click AI image at the top. You'll notice Seedream 4.0 is the default model. All images you generate are free and don't use up any credits. Now, let me show you 15 amazing ways to use it. I uploaded images of Chun-Li and Spider-Man, plus a simple stick figure sketch. I asked the tool to pose the characters according to the stick figure and set the scene in a forest. Seedream 4.0 lets you freely select image size and even generate in 4K, something Nano Banana can't do. The result? Chun-Li and Spider-Man are perfectly positioned with natural poses and colors that blend seamlessly with the forest background. It's incredible how you can create any scene with any character in seconds. And the best part? It doesn't cost any coins to generate images. Totally free. For the second demo, I combined 3 totally different images. A woman in yellow leaning against a car with a street background. The tool merged them naturally, adjusting the pose, changing the car color, optimizing shadows, and even adding tree reflections on the car. It's stunning. This is the kind of thing that's almost impossible in Photoshop, but Seedream 4.0 does it in seconds, and at high resolution. This is truly a game-changing tool for the industry. I used a photo of the Leaning Tower of Pisa and gave the prompt, "Make a Highland calf climb the tower." The result came out funny and magical. Then I asked the tool to change the scene to nighttime and add a police helicopter. The final image looked like a movie poster. Super realistic transitions. I uploaded a photo of a woman and asked the tool to generate bikini images of her from different angles, while keeping her face consistent. Look at these results. Side, back, even zoomed-in details. The face stays the same and the new poses look natural. This is truly game-changing. For our 5th demo, let's try something interesting. Turning the model's outfit into a fashion collage style. I simply entered a prompt like this. As you can see, the result is impressive. Comparing it with the original image, you can clearly see how the clothing was perfectly transformed into a collage style. What's more, the tool intelligently filled in parts of the outfit that weren't shown in the original photo. The final image can almost be used as is. It even includes clear, readable text. Right now, very few AI tools on the market can generate such sharp text and images. It's clear this tool can save not just minutes, but hours in the creative process. I uploaded a 2D room sketch and asked the tool to generate a 3D scene in a Scandinavian style while keeping the furniture and layout. With one click, the scene was done. The details and colors matched my requests, and the furniture looked great. AI really boosts productivity. For this demo, I uploaded my channel's logo and asked Seedream 4.0 to design a full set of branded merchandise. It generated 6 different products: hats, bags, notebooks, keychains, all perfectly matching my brand style. This tool is a designer's best friend. I uploaded a photo and asked for a Studio Ghibli style. The result was spot on. Authentic Ghibli vibes, effortlessly. I tested placing 2 people from separate images together in one scene. Wait seconds. The tool made them look like they were sitting and chatting side by side. No editing marks at all. No more worrying about photo retouching. The trending figure creation feature is here too. I uploaded a 2D character, gave my instructions, and boom, a detailed 3D desktop figure appeared. The material and lighting are so realistic it looks like a real-life product. I tried the zoom out feature on a close-up photo. Not only did the tool extend the glowing firefly background, but it also refined the subject's pose. The results are so impressive. Tools like this are transforming every step of the creative workflow. Now I'm going to try the Upscale image feature. I uploaded a low-resolution photo and entered a prompt. And the result is a much sharper, high-resolution version. Even when I zoom in, all the details are still there. It's really impressive. Imagine being able to turn your old, blurry photos into clear, HD images. Next, let's check out the Colorize Black and White image tool. I picked a photo that's pretty complex. It's not just a simple picture, but one with lots of details like a queen, a chair, and a palace. With just a single command, the tool colored everything beautifully. The faces, the shine on the furniture, and all the transitions look great. Honestly, the result is way better than I expected. Now I want to show you how well this tool creates images from text. This time, I didn't upload any photo. I just typed, "Create a meditation poster." The result totally fits the calm, peaceful vibe I wanted. Plus, the AI generated the text on the poster perfectly, with no mistakes. That's pretty rare for AI tools, and it really surprised me. For the last demo, I wanted to see if Seedream 4.0 could redesign my YouTube channel banner. I uploaded my logo, set the size and style, and clicked Generate. It gave me several design options, and overall, I'm pretty happy with them. The colors and layout match my preferences, and even if there are a few small things to tweak, I got a lot of new ideas from it. Super helpful. What do you think of this tool? Would you use it, or have you already tried it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.